Know the iPod basics. Since its release, the iPod still remains one of the most sought-after portable media devices. Aside from its sleek design, the iPod boasts of its huge storage capacity and easy navigation through the click wheel. The iPod allows its users to take their music and videos with them anywhere and everywhere. Although the iPod is easy to use, some people may have a little problem learning how to use it, especially if they are not used to or haven't operated a digital device. Learning the basics of operating the iPod will help the user load their music and videos and play them. Manage digital files through the iTunes. Each iPod comes with a media management software known as iTunes. It manages the songs and videos you wish to load onto the iPod. You can have iTunes search your computer for music and videos on your computer and upload to its music and video library, or you can choose to browse for them yourself. You can create your own playlist for your various activities. You can load the music, videos, and playlists directly to your iPod from iTunes. There is a built-in store in iTunes that lets you purchase songs, movies, television shows or podcasts and load them onto your iPod. iTunes is also a media player where you can watch your videos and listen to music. Navigate through the click wheel. The click wheel on the iPod makes it easy for you to get around your files and search for the song, album, or video you want to play. The click wheel has two outer areas, an outer circle and a center button. The outer wheel features the menu button which you use to back up through the previous menus. The previous and next buttons let you select the previous or next song on your list while another song is playing. The play button launches the song or video on the list that is highlighted. It will also pause the song or video that is playing. The whole outer wheel lets you scroll through your digital files and menu options by sliding your thumb or finger clockwise or counterclockwise on the outer circle. The center button selects a file or menu option. The hold switch. The hold switch found on the topmost part of your iPod renders your click wheel's functions inoperable so the music or video that is playing on your iPod won't be disturbed accidentally. Exploring the iPod's basic functions will help you understand how to operate the iPod and make use of its features. Quick tips: if your music files are not in the proper format for use on the iPod, iTunes will convert them to the format that the iPod recognizes. Useful links, podcasts.